Here is how to redeem a Roblox gift card on your mobile device. First, go ahead and launch any web browser. Go to the official website of Roblox, that is roblox.com, and log into your specific account. After that, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner. After that, tap on the Robux icon in the top right corner, that is between notifications and the gear icon. Once you do that, you'll get three different options: buy Robux, my transaction, and redeem Roblox codes. Go ahead and select redeem Roblox codes. Or you can also go to your web browser and directly go to the website at roblox.com/redeem. And here you'll get the section where you can go ahead and enter your code. So open your keyboard, enter the code, and then select redeem, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. And that's how you redeem Roblox gift card on your mobile. So that's it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.